Hello, dear students. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Myself, Chandranil D. Ishi, lecturer at MSCOP Boradi, guided by Mr. Mahesh Pawar Sir, Principal MSCOP Boradi. Multiple choice question MCQ for pharmaceutical jurisprudence subject. So, first question. Barbiturate are the drug. Option is A. Schedule X, B. Schedule H, C. Schedule C, D. Schedule Y. Answer A. Schedule X. Question number 2. Application to manufacture cosmetic is the license authority in A. Form 30A, B. Form 32, C. Form 31, D. Form 32A. Answer C. Form 31. Next, question number 3. The Pharmacy Act was passed in A. 1940, B. 1948, C. 1950, D. 1945. Answer is B. 1948. Question number 4. Drug and cosmetic rules are divided into schedules. A. 26, B. 18, C. 28, D. 23. Answer is D. 23. Question number 5. Drug Controller of India member of DTAB as per the DNC Act 1940. A. An ex officio, B. An elected, C. None of above, D. A nominated. Answer is A. An ex officio. Question number 6. VDRL antigen is to be tested by A. Drug inspector, B. Excise commissioner, C. Serologist, D. Drug controller of India. Answer is C. Serologist. Question number 7. The Narcotic and Psychotropic Substances Act was passed in the year A. 1965, B. 1975, C. 1985, D. None of the above. Answer C. 1985. Question number 8. There are no provision for the import of drug as per DNC Act 1940. Option is A. Ayurveda, B. Unani, C. Siddha, D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Question number 9. No license is necessary for effecting sale of drug as per DNC Act. Option A. Allopathic, B. Ayurveda, C. Homeopathy, D. None of the above. Answer is B. Ayurveda. Question number 10. Cosmetic containing dash ppm arsenic is prohibited to be imported as per DNC Act 1940. Option is A. 100, B. 20, C. 2, D. None of the above. C. 2. Question number 11. Drug Price Control Order DPCO has been made under the section dash of the Essential Commodities Act 1955. A. 4, B. 3, C. 10, D. None of the above. B. 3. Question number 12. For imported formulation, the retail price shall not exceed dash percentage of landed cost as per DPCO. A. 20, B. 40, C. 50, D. None of the above. Answer C 50. Question number 30. No license is essential for sale of drug. A. Allopathic. B. Homeopathic. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Answer both A and B. Question number 14. The Central Drug Laboratory is established at A. Kolkata. B. Lucknow. C. Mumbai. D. Kasauli. Answer is A. Kolkata. Question number 15. The person in charge of state drug laboratory is A. Drug controller. B. Assistant drug controller. C. Drug inspector. D. Government analyst. Answer is D. Government analyst. Question number 16. The Drug and Cosmetic Act has been divided into chapter A. 15, B. 16, C. 5, D. 24. Answer is B. 16. Question number 17. Names from the register of pharmacists can remove only by an order of the option is A. PCI, B. Registration Tribune, C. Executive Committee of the State PCI, D. Director of Health Service. Answer is C. Executive Committee of the State PCI. Question number 18. Wholesale license of Schedule X drug is issued in the form number A. 20BB, B. 20G, C. 21A, D. 20B. Answer is B. 20G. Question number 19. Drug Conservative Committee advice A. Central government, B. State government, C. DTAB, D. All of these. Answer is D. All of these. Question number 20. DPCO Act came into force in the year of A. 1970, B. 1987, C. 1955, D. 1960. Answer is C. 1955. Question number 21. Falsely claiming to be registered pharmacist is an offence liable to fine up to Rs. On first conviction. A. 10,000, B. 5,000, C. 1,000, D. 500. Answer is D. 500. Question number 22. Dash is the resin obtained from the cannabis plant as per the Narcotic and Psychotropic Substances Act. A. Charas, B. Ganja, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Answer is C. Both A and B. Question number 23. Cultivation of cannabis plant is a controlled operation of dash government as per the Narcotic and Psychotropic Substances Act. Option is A. Central, B. State, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Answer is C. Both A and B. Question number 24. It means bulk drugs are specified in schedule A. First, B. Second, C. Third, D. Fourth. Answer is A. First. Question number 25. In bonded laboratory, windows should be covered inside with strong wire netting of a mesh, not dash mm. A. 20, B. 25, C. 28, D. 27. Answer is B. 25. Question number 26. Drug and Magic Remedies Act was passed in A. 1956 and Rules 1955, B. 1954 and Rules 1955, C. 1958 and Rules 1955, D. 1957 and Rules 1955. Answer is B. 1954 and Rules 1955. Question number 27. These are the medical preparations which are considered as capable of being misused as ordinary alcoholic beverage. Option is A. Unrestricted preparation, B. Standard preparation, C. Spirit store, D. Restricted preparation. Answer is D. Restricted preparation. Question number 28. Example of Schedule H drug: A. Diazepam, B. Penicillin, C. Albendazole, D. Antibiotic. Answer is A. Diazepam. Question number 23. Medical termination of pregnancy act was passed in A. 1971 and rules surrender 1976, B. 1971 and rules surrender 1979, C. 1971 and rules surrender 1977, D. 1971 and rules surrender 1978. Answer is B. 1971 and rules surrender 1979. Question number 13. Chairman of DEC means Drug Inquiry Committee: A. Lieutenant Colonel R.N. Chopra, B. Mr. Bagate, C. Colonel S.N. Rai, D. Acharya Ramchandra Praful. Answer is A. Lieutenant Colonel R.N. Chopra. Question number 31. Which is not calculation of retail price formula? A. MAPE, B. ED, C. RP, D. MAPV. Answer is D. MAPV. Question number 32. A non-bonded manufacturer shall inspected by the other officers at least A. once every month, B. once every 2 months, C. once every 6 months, D. once every year. Answer is A. once every month. Question number 33. Medical termination of pregnancy act was passed in the year A. 1971, B. 1990, C. 1871, D. 1949. Answer is A. 1971. Question number 34. Medicinal and Toilet Preparation Act: A. 1960, B. 1955, C. 1971, D. 1980. Answer is B. 1955. Pharmacy Council of India is constituted every A. 1 year, B. 3 year, C. 6 year, D. 5 year. Answer is D. 5 year. Question number 36. Standard for medicinal contraceptives are given in a schedule: A. Schedule S, B. Schedule R, C. Schedule Q, D. Schedule T. Answer is B. Schedule R. Question number 37. Government opium factory is situated at A. Kolkata, B. Mumbai, C. Hyderabad, D. Neemuch. Answer is D. Neemuch. Question number 38. How many recommendation of DEC? A. 13, A. 30, B. 60, C. 90, D. 120. Answer is C. 90. Question number 39. Talisman, Mantra and Kavachas comes under A. Misbranded drug, B. Poisonous drug, C. Magic remedies, D. Psychotropic substances. Answer is C. Magic remedies. Question number 40. Coca, opium and hemp come under the A. Poison Act, A. Cosmetic Act, C. Insecticide Act, D. Dangerous Drug Act. Answer is D. Dangerous Drug Act. Question number 41. The Dangerous Drug Act: A. 1878, B. 1857, C. 1930, D. 1985. Answer is C. 1930. Question number 44. The following classes of drug are prohibited to be sold India as per the DNC Act 1940? A. Misbranded, B. Adulterated, C. Spurious, D. All of the above. D. All of the above. Question number 43. Pharmacist license for sale of drug are inspected at least A. once in year, B. twice in year, C. thrice in year, D. every month. Answer B. twice in year. Question number 44. Pharmacist relation to his job: A. Price structure. B. Pharmacy drug store. C. For trade price. D. Hawking of drug. Answer is B. Pharmacy drug store. Question number 45. Poisonous drug are categorized. List A drug are A. Barium sulfate. B. Digitalis. C. Oxalic acid. D. Carbolic acid. Answer is B. Digitalis. Question number 46. In Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani inspector are appointed as inspector under the section A20, B21, C33F, D33G. Answer is C33F. Question number 47. Ibuprofen tablet are belong to Schedule A, Schedule X, B, Schedule G, C, Schedule H, D, Schedule B. Answer is C, Schedule H. Question number 48. Drug inspector is appointed under the Act of A. 19 of IPC, B. 21 of IPC, C. 42 of IPC, D. 48 of IPC. Answer is B. 21 of IPC. Question number 49. Example of Schedule X drug is A. Ciprofloxacin, B. Imidine, C. Quinine, D. Nitrazepam. Answer is D. Nitrazepam. Question number 50. Calcium gluconate injection. A. Schedule P, B. Schedule H, C. Schedule Q, D. Schedule F. Answer is D. Schedule F. Thank you very much.